All right, so I've traced it out on our old, well, new to us, but old backing plate for the gauges. As you see, I took all the gauges out. I was going to try to do something here, but I decided to just go with the side pieces that we need. And I want to use these 2 screw holes and these 2 screw holes. So I'm going to cut this with the plasma because it's a lot easier. And then later today, hopefully, before I have to go home, I can at least mock this up in the car. That'd be great. All right, so I've gotten our little parts cut out that we need. So I'm going to be cleaning them up a little bit with the grinder. And hopefully we can get these in here still today. So I'm in here. Got our lens in position. Got our little receptacles in. I have our retainer plate that I made here. I'm going to start assembling this. Then I can put the bulbs in for these 2. I'm going to flip it around, knock out the other side, I hope. Alright, so there they are. There's your original style door ajar. And your headlamp warning. Bam! In. I'm going to flip this around and get the other side in. Look at that. It's perfect. Done.